What's up, Jimmer Nation? We got some exciting stuff coming to you guys today.
Man, we have been working on this for a while.
We got a lot of moving pieces.
And honestly, it didn't take a whole lot of convincing. Usually, Ryan has to convince me of his crazy ideas.
Explain what you consider a lot, because I felt like it took a lot.
But this one, I'm fully on board with.
And just so you guys know, if you ever played like the jigsaw puzzle, like when you had to put pieces together,
Right.
to come out with this beautiful masterpiece,
Yes, that's what we're doing.
we're doing something like that,
Awesome.
minus the beautiful part.
Awesome. Well, it's going to be a lot of fun. Hey, if you guys like content like this, you want to stick with us and figure out what in the world we got cooking for you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. That bell helps a lot because it lets you know when we have a new video every single time. Or we'll just give you Ryan's phone number and he'll just call you.
You can definitely put your number in the link below. I'll send you a link to the next
He will.
video.
He'll just call you every week.
Ask all my 100 and something friends that I've been sending messages to that I've been blocked now
For a year.
because of.
For a year.
Yeah.
For a year. But anyway.
Amen.
So we have a few pieces to the puzzle, and we want to show you the first one
So stay tuned.
right now.
The next build, this is the Blue Benefactor. We can't wait to tell you what we're doing with it. As you can tell, it's not our style, but it will be soon.
We need some more trucks, Ryan.
Just one more. Just one more. Wait, y'all.
And there we have it, Ryan.
And as you guys see, you know, based on the Red Rocket, we're kind of going back to the old man builds, kind of our thing now, because everyone told us we should have got rid of the chrome. So you're gonna love this one. So as you guys can see, this truck is a little bad. I mean, we got the
Whoa.
bumper.
Do that again.
I don't think I just hurt my knee. We got a quality mirror right here. You know, good stuff. So it's not too bad. We got a little dent right here. I would have hit it, but I did the other day.
A little dent.
It kind of hurt when I hit it. We got some pallets. If anybody's interested in getting some pallets, we got pallets for you guys right here.
Ryan.
So you can see this truck is not in bad shape.
No, it's not too bad.
Shouldn't be too difficult of a rebuild. Tell us what you guys think below, what you think we're gonna do with this. As you can see, I'm clearly being careful and taking care of it.
Clearly.
And so we'll come around to this other side. Now this side is actually not that bad.
Yeah, well, don't mess it up.
I'm not gonna mess this side up. But it is kind of, someone damaged it, I think right here. Someone damaged that.
Yeah, that would be you, Ryan.
This fender's shot. It's got 4 good tires, guys. 3.5.
Yeah.
And well, would you look at that? Would you just look?
What do we got here?
I believe they call those El Coyote.
Interesting.
That's Spanish for coyote. So let's see if this old bad boy runs.
Right?
See what she sounds like. Don't we all want to know?
We do. Kick the tires and light the fire.
This door open. Don't mind that. A little bit of Earl won't fix that.
That sounds
Put a
terrible.
little bit of Earl in the
That sounds terrible.
joints there, and it'll fix that up.
All
There you
right.
go.
Stir her up, bro. Ooh, sounds really good.
What we got here is we got ourselves a Coyote engine with a 6R80 transmission behind it with only 88,000 miles.
That's pretty low mileage.
It's a really low mileage truck. We're really excited about it, and it sounds amazing.
Somebody's gonna be really happy with this.
This grandpa build. Dwayne, I'm looking at you. So, tell us what you guys think is happening, because there's some craziness coming, and it ain't just me. Hey, you know what's the best part about this truck? It comes with another shower cap.
Nice. We haven't done that for a while. I really want to see that again.
Yeah, it's quality entertainment.
Well, there you have it.
What can I say, guys? It's another quality build brought to you by JMR Rebuilders. That's right, jmrrebuilders.com
Well,
for your local quality rebuilders.
Are we gonna start doing our own makeshift commercials every single time?
Heck yeah. So if you guys want to sign up, please subscribe at JMR Rebuilders. That's right, JMR Rebuilders. No.
So what's the next piece of the puzzle?
Oh, well, there's more.
There is more. We have puzzle piece number 1.
You know what I want to do?
What?
I want to do this right here. I'll show you. Like, we gonna have to do this. You're gonna have to watch this.
Don't do it, Ryan. Don't do it, Ryan.
Do this. Check out the next piece of the puzzle. I think I'm done. I think I just compressed my spine.
All right, Ryan, what you gonna do, buddy?
I'm just gonna cut this corner off because we got some pretty nasty rub right here.
Yeah.
And we want to be able to drive it off, so I'm gonna get this corner out of the way.
All right, cool. Ryan, this isn't our normal gig right here.
I don't know what you call it. I think they call them automobiles. But the cool thing about this one here is it got that 4.6 police interceptor engine, so you can do stuff like this. Can you back me up? I can't see. Welcome down to JMR Auto Sales, where we stack them high, watch them dry, stack them low, watch them go. We got this beautiful baby Crown Vic Police Interceptor right here. What gives you a feel of the deal? Yes, does it run? Maybe. Times? I don't know. But look at that. 4.6. Amazing. And then over here, right next to this beautiful gem, we got this baby. A 2013 F150. Your pick of the litter. Now, they have a few little imperfections. They are older cars, but let me tell you what, they're going to be amazing for you.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. You're dinging our door up, bro.
What happened?
Here,
Listen, it's okay. Oh, God damn it, thing. Just be careful with it. I tried to tell you. As you guys can tell, there's some minor dents in the hood from...
I don't know where those came from. Where those dents come from, Ryan?
Someone's got a heavy butt. But you know what? It'll be all right. You know, you gotta live with it. But check this out, guys.
What we got in here, Ryan?
This here's a 4.6. It's the same engine that came in the GT Mustang for multiple years.
Yeah.
It's police interceptor package, so it's got a little bit more peppity pep.
Yeah.
It's got a, oh, look now. Look at there. You know what that means? That sticker means it's 10% faster.
It does, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
But as you guys can see, the engine's in great shape.
It looks great.
Amazing.
It really
does. I wish the rest of the car looked as good as that, but as you guys will soon find out, it's not so much.
No.
So
I mean, on the front end, except for the newly dented hood.
You know, I mean,
Ryan, the newly dented hood.
I mean, I think it's.
I mean, you still got leaves stuck in your hat.
It happens. You gotta roll with it.
The front looks good.
The good news is it's a brand new battery, 2019.
Oh, that's why it won't start on itself.
It's a pre-COVID battery. So
I guess we just need to charge that up, huh?
Yeah, probably. My neighbor said I could.
How many miles does this have on it, Ryan?
This has only 144,000 miles, which if you know anything about old Crown Vics, to find a low mileage Crown Vic Police Interceptor is very rare.
Yeah.
So this is a great car. to start with for what we have planned. Not telling you guys.
Yeah.
Comment down below if you think you have any idea what we're doing with the black and blue beneficators. But you know what?
Well, what are we gonna do about that?
Some of our fans have probably experienced this before.
Yeah, really?
Hold on. Hey! I can't open it. It has to. No, you don't have to lock. You can take your foot down. I really can't open it. There's no latch in here. I can't get out. I'm sure some of our fans have had that experience in the back seat. Not gonna point any fingers. But and then
Why'd you point your finger at me? I've never been in the back of a police car ever.
I'm not saying you were.
All right. Whoa!
Check this out.
Holy smokes! What in the world happened
So
here?
this is what we call the subcompact model police interceptor. It's compacted.
It is.
So it's
Interesting.
it doesn't have a big back end
How
anymore.
are we gonna fix that?
We're gonna cut it off and put a truck bed on it.
Ooh, I like it.
So, and if anybody needs some britches, we got, as you've seen, we got some. What does this say?
I'd like to see.
Chief?
I'd like to see you put that on.
Oh, I mean, I'm not gonna. I won't fire away. See if we can get it. This is gonna hurt. Oh yeah. I need some help. Is that enough? Yeah, it's hurting. I don't think I'm gonna get it. Yeah, come on. Keep going. Yeah.
Man, if only it were just a little bit bigger.
I think it's just about my size. Oh dear Lord Jesus.
Now put you in the back of the cop car.
It's a bit hot in here.
Woo! Well, there you go. What else we got?
We got a custom exhaust here, as you can see. It's called the hang load and slow.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, you saw in the video we had to cut the back of this off because we were hitting the tire pretty hard.
This door doesn't even open because it's so jacked.
Yeah. Well, let's not ruin it because somebody will sell it.
Which is why.
Oh. Or keep it.
You're not supposed to tell people
Sorry. Don't ruin that door.
It's a secret. All right, guys. Well, we've revealed some of the pieces of the puzzle. We got the blue beneficator, black beneficator, blue beneficator, black beneficator. We got another piece coming. We can't wait to show you. Tell them about it, Jason, while I pick up my hat.
Oh man, we're gonna go drive and get the third piece.
It's gonna be amazing.
I'm really excited about it. You guys are gonna love this content. I can almost 100% guarantee it. It is gonna be so amazing.
And if you guys have any inclination of why they're called beneficators and what we're going to be doing with them,
I know, comment below. We want to hear what you guys have to say. We really could use your help to get to 1,000 subs, so please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. That really helps us out a ton. I can't even talk today. I'm so excited about what's coming next.
and on that note, we'll see you next time. Generation!